Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting video. In today's video, we're going to understand what is dynamic zone visibility in Tableau. And we're going to understand this with a very simple use case. Consider you are placing an order on Swiggy or Zomato or any restaurant, right? So if at all we want to be very specific in the items we want to choose, like say we select a toggle button that is available, like say we want to choose veg item or non-veg item. So what does it do functionally when we try to select this? It technically displays only those items while removing the entire list of other items that you are not selecting. Like say, if you're choosing only veg, you will be displayed only veg items. If you're choosing non-veg, only non-veg items will be displayed. The same concept, if implemented in Tableau, is called as dynamic zone visibility. So it's kind of like what you want to see and what you want to hide. Kind of hide and unhide concept in Tableau. Okay, so this is from definition perspective. Now let us try to see how it works in Tableau. So I've created two use cases for you. One is through parameter use case and normal. Second one is normal using through selector. So first, what I have done is I want to based on the sheet type or chart type selected, I want to toggle the view. Okay, so toggle is the option here, right? So if I select chart, it should display me chart, and if I select a table, it should display me table. Okay, so that's the toggle I'm trying to do here. So to do that, what is our basic requirement? We want to create two sheets. So one is my bar chart that I've created, second one is detail tab, right? So two independent sheets we have created. Now what do we want to do? We want to pass this action or whatever we are selecting here to this sheet so that they can work as toggle or like on and off kind of thing. So for that, what is the second thing I've done? I've created a parameter called as a view selector. In this, I have returned the items that I want to toggle between. Like I want to toggle between chart and table. Two items I have created. Okay, step one, creating the sheets that we need. And step two is creating parameter. Okay, now based on this parameter selected, we want to toggle, right? So what is that we need to do? We need to create two calculations on top of this. Because why? Because parameters are what global in nature. So unless and until you establish a relationship with your database, they will not be able to connect. So I've created a simple calculation which will allow us to connect. Now, when I'm saying view selector is equal to chart, this will pop up through dynamic zone visibility concept. So same likewise here when I have selected another one called as table, the table should concept. How now we have created a parameter and we have created a necessary calculations for that. I went on to my dashboard, used those two sheets within the container. Okay, I've taken one horizontal container, and in that container, I have dropped those two sheets together. So all you need to do is select that particular sheet, go to layout, and under that you have an option on top called as control visibility using. So here, if it this is because table, I've selected table, and when I select a chart, control visibility, and so if you select the sheet, you see is showing chart. So now simple using a toggle button between chart and table using parameter normal options in parameter, we are able to toggle between this sheet and that. Okay, so this is your first example. Second example is the same concept. You can do it using parameter actions also. Now, what is my intention? I want to pass a value to my parameter so that it can work as a toggle button. So what I've done is again I've created another sheet called as chart and table. Okay, so this is coming from a static sheet that I've created in Excel called as a chart and table, and that I am using it in Tableau to create two values. Now this value I'm passing on to my parameter. How? Using parameter option. Same, if I go to dashboard, actions. Okay, so under parameter actions, if you see, what is our source here? Source is view button. View button is our first sheet which has both chart and table. So from this, it should impact what is the target parameter, view selector parameter that we have created. Now automatically source is this. Now when you select, because this is a field that is available, so basic automatically that value will be fetched. But what is the next thing you have to take care here, about the chart type? Now if you say it's a chart, chart is coming. So the remaining will remain same here. The calculation that you have created for chart, it is chart. For table, it is table. So you have to still go to dynamic zone visibility and choose whatever you need. So here it is table. Okay, now this is more effective than having a drop down. So this way also you can use dynamic zone visibility concept. I hope the concept of Tableau dynamic zone visibility is now clear for you. If you have any such topics which are confusing, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be trying to create a video on that so that it can help you. That's it from my side in this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.